how to verify your address in Google AdSense. I'm gonna go ahead and open this letter. It is from Google, and then I'm gonna go ahead and enter the PIN in my Google AdSense, and I hope you're gonna enjoy it. So first thing first, you need to open it, and it has got different edges. If you can see this arrow pointing, so you need to remove these edges. All right, that is what I'm gonna do. Okay. And by the way, if you watch this video from start to finish, I'm gonna share with you all you need to do so that your Google AdSense PIN it's gonna arrive on the address you're gonna provide. Okay, so make sure you watch the video until the end and you get go. So all I'm gonna do is to first open this letter from Google, by the way. So I'm gonna open it like so. I remove these edges. So you can fold them like this, and then you open, you just remove them like so. Because we don't wanna tear or break down the pin, it is inside somewhere, okay, inside this letter. So I'm opening it. I'm gonna remove also this side edge. You can see it here. Hope you can see it. No need even to fold if you don't want to do that, but I'm gonna fold it because it's gonna be cut poorly if you don't fold it like so. Okay, you can see it is was going to be moved poorly. So then I'm gonna go ahead and also remove this right here. You just fold it like so. Okay, we are still opening it. All right, now we have opened it, and when I open it like this, okay, I'm not gonna show the behind part of it, but maybe I can anyway, I'm not gonna show you actually the address for security purposes, but here I've got behind this side we've got actually the address where the pin was sent. Okay, so by the way, when you open it, inside it, okay, inside it we've got pin. I'm not gonna show it to you because for security purposes I'm covering them. I've covered it here, but you can see right here you will see your pin. Okay, and when I read it, you're gonna see, yeah, you can see here Google AdSense, your personal identification number, that is PIN. By the way, if you don't know what it stands for, so yeah, you can see the steps what you're gonna do, but don't worry because I'm gonna go to my computer and then I show you how you're gonna verify your address. Okay, and yeah, get go. Okay, so I'm not gonna show you actually the actual PIN. There are 6 digits, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, there are 6 digits, and let me go to my computer, then I log into my Google AdSense, then I show you how you're gonna verify your address, and you're good to go. Okay, all right, now you can see the AdSense dashboard right here, and you're gonna see this notification. If you're seeing this, then you're gonna do some action and you're good to go. So if you got a channel and you're seeing this, probably you're seeing Native Studio action required, you need to do that to complete this step, so that you're gonna be paid on time and you're good to go. So you can see this is appearing, this notification. You can see if you have received it, then this is the email actually we have received, and yeah, from YouTube, then you're gonna complete this step so that you're gonna be paid on time. Guys, I'm gonna do everything in Google AdSense because YouTube Studio is linked to your AdSense account. So I'm gonna go ahead and open you're gonna go ahead and open your favorite browser. I'm using Google Chrome and search for Google AdSense official, like that website. Here we are, Google AdSense official website. Click on it, and then I'm gonna click on sign in. Make sure you click on sign in so that you enter the email and the password of your AdSense account so that you are in the right AdSense account. Here we are in the dashboard right here. You can see payments are on hold because you need to verify your address. Yeah, so you can use this action button or tab. Then when you click on it, you can go ahead and complete the steps. If you're not seeing that option, you can scroll down. As you can see here, verify your address, keep earning. Okay, you can still need to verify your billing address to continue earning and get paid. So you're gonna click on verify address, then you complete the step also there. Okay, but make sure when you're in your AdSense dashboard, make sure you're on AdSense for YouTube, then click on payments. I'm gonna click on verification check right here, like so. All right, now you can see you're gonna read all these details, and guys, I'm sharing you all this and showing you all the steps in this tutorial so that you understand everything. Yeah, now you can see already to complete this step, you have to have completed identity verification, and now you can see right here, address verification needs attention. Okay, so to be able to do that, you can scroll all the way down, right, like this, and then you can see enter the PIN we mailed to your payments address. Okay, you can see you have got so far you have 3 attempts remaining. Okay, and actually the PIN, it has to be sent like the letter I showed you at the beginning of this video. It was sent to the address I provided in the AdSense account actually, and it had to arrive on the address I provided, the payment address, after 2 to 3 weeks. Okay, that is what it's gonna take to that letter to arrive to the address you provided, guys. And if you're wondering how all the physical data is linked, that's what I do. If you didn't receive, you're gonna click on resend pin. If you didn't receive the AdSense pin, then but since for us we received it, so you're gonna enter it right here. There are 6 digits, guys. That is actually, and I'm gonna hide these numbers. Let me enter them, these digits for the pin. Actually, I'm just hiding them because for security purposes. You can see you have 3 attempts. Be careful, and you don't have to guess the numbers. I'm gonna click on submit, like so. Boom, now you can see address verification completed in green, guys, which is great. Now our address has been verified in our Google AdSense. Even if I'm still seeing this notification, let me go ahead and refresh, guys, to show you everything live. Now you can see when I refresh, you can see, all right, now the notification has disappeared. Okay, so you can see identity verification has been verified, and also address has been verified. This is the press you have to do these changes, and yeah, get go. So now you can see address verification has been completed successfully, which is great. And you have to double check by going to AdSense for YouTube, then go to payments, like so. Then you're gonna click on verification check, and if you see address verification completed like this, then you have completed this step successfully, which is great. So let me go to YouTube Studio and check, and we see if the changes that all the steps we've completed in AdSense have also worked. Let's go to YouTube Studio, like so. Here we are. You can see in YouTube Studio, you may still see this notification, actually the address that, like so, but don't worry, because within 48 hours or 72 hours, these changes are gonna be reflected. When you check on earn, like so, earn tab, you can see they're still showing getting paid, action required. But don't worry, just even if you're seeing this, don't panic. Just it's gonna take some time because YouTube Studio is linked to AdSense. So let me check also on the email. We have not received the email from AdSense or YouTube, but it is what it is. The press you can check for all this is in your Google AdSense dashboard. Okay, and now you can see everything. Address verification, it's in green, guys. Okay, just make sure you go to payment, you go to AdSense for YouTube, then payments, then verification check right here. And now you can see address has been completed. So you have to double check this, and if you see all this, then you are good to go. And even if you're seeing this in YouTube Studio within for me, all the content creators I've helped within 24 hours. This step actually, these changes are gonna be reflected also in YouTube, and the channel is gonna be, everything is set up, okay? All right, this is all you need to verify your address in Google AdSense, but I've seen so many content creators facing problems on verifying their address. You find that when it comes to address verification, a lot of YouTubers or content creators face problems. They request for the pin, but it's never received. And you wonder why they didn't receive such letter like this one from Google. It has to do with the address you provide. And all the content creators I've helped, different friends of mine have helped to be able to receive this Google AdSense pin. Okay, it is actually very simple when you do it the right way. You need to provide the valid address, the address that is known. Many countries in this world, they have got what we call postal. And when you go to Google and search for National Post Office, then the name of your country, they are gonna show you the address where this pin can be sent. And make sure, if you are not sure about it, you can reach out to that post office in your country, and then you ask them different details like what address you can provide in your Google AdSense. Then they help you so that you make sure this AdSense pin arrives to the right address. Otherwise, and if you face problems or issues, you can reach out and contact me. I can help you and get the job done. If you don't want to stress yourself, because once this pin is lost or it's not found, YouTube is not gonna pay you, or Google. They are gonna fail over verifying your address. So you need to do it, and you have got limited times to attempt to enter this kind of pin, AdSense pin. Okay, so to verify your address, you need to some limited time. There are 3 usually, but maybe it's gonna depend to where you are. So you need to do it the right way. Otherwise, you're gonna face problems or issues. By the way, I'm Emmanuel, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, you like this video, and if you got any problem or any question related to Google AdSense, especially for those of you who are struggling in setting up your AdSense for YouTube, monetization, growing, getting views on YouTube, I can help you and guide you, and you become successful here on YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. I'm Emmanuel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye. Take care. Bye.